Welcome to Lesson 9. In this lesson, we are going to explore Windows 11 Enterprise Sysprep. What is Sysprep? Sysprep is System Preparation. It's a built-in Microsoft command line tool used to prepare a Windows installation for imaging, cloning, or delivery to a customer. Its primary job is to run a configured computer into a generic one so that it can be copied to hundreds of other machines without causing technical conflicts. What does Sysprep actually do? When you run Sysprep, it performs several critical cleanup tasks to make the OS ready for a new user or new hardware, such as generalization. It removes hardware-specific information and drivers. This allows the same image to be used on different models of computers, example Dell laptop or an HP laptop or desktop. SID reset. It cleans the security identifiers. Windows uses SIDs to identify a computer on a network. If you simply clone a hard drive without Sysprep, every computer will have the same SID, which breaks Active Directory and causes massive security issues. Enters OOBE or out-of-the-box experience. It sets the computers to boot into the welcome screen where the user chooses their language, creates new account, and accepts the license agreement. And audit mode. It allows administrators to log in as a built-in administrator to install software and updates before the real user ever sees the machine. The common use cases of Sysprep is enterprise deployment. IT staff set up one golden image with all company apps, run Sysprep, and then push that image to, let's say, 100 or 500 new laptops. Virtual machine templates. This is what we are going to do in our lab. You create one perfect VM, Sysprep it, and save it as a template to quickly spin up new servers or new virtual computers. PC manufacturing. Companies like Lenovo or Asus use Sysprep to install drivers and bloatware before shipping the PC to you. Just a warning that you shouldn't run Sysprep on your personal daily driver PC unless you intend to wipe your user profile settings. It's a tool for deployment, not for general maintenance. If you are ready, let's start. We will go to VMware Workstation Pro, say New Virtual Machine, choose Custom, say Next, say Next. Then we choose Microsoft Windows, Windows 11, x64, say Next. We will choose the location on our D drive. We will call this Windows 11 Enterprise. We will save it on already created folder. We will say what to encrypt, just only the files needed to support virtual TPM. We will auto-generate the password and click Next. We will use UEFI. We will update the number of cores and processors later, as well as RAM. We will use bridged networking. We will leave LSI logic SAS. And we will leave the recommended for the NVMe. We will create a new virtual disk with 80 GB of size, and we will store it as a single file. Click Next, click Next, click Finish. As you can see, the new virtual machine appeared. We will right-click and click on Settings, increase the RAM to 8 GB, and the number of cores to 8. Then we'll go to CD-ROM and add our newly downloaded Windows 11 Enterprise ISO file. You can download this file from the official Microsoft website. Then we check again the network adapter settings. And we will leave all other settings as they were previously set or by default. And then we'll click OK. Then we'll right click and power on the virtual machine. As you can see, the virtual machine is booting. We'll have to press any key so that it can boot from the image we have just attached. The setup screen appears and is asking us to choose the language and time. We choose the default options. We say install Windows 11 and agree to everything will be deleted on our new hard drive. We say next, accept. We will choose the 80 gigabyte of hard drive that we have attached to the virtual machine and say install. Our PC is going to restart several times during installation. I will speed up the procedure so that you don't have to wait for it. It is suggesting us to choose the country. We will leave default as United States and say yes. We will choose the keyboard layout as United States. We will not add any second keyboard to say skip. Now the system is going to check for the updates. Because this machine is directly connected to the internet, it will download several packages from the Microsoft Update Store and will reboot it several times. Next, it will propose us to sign in to Microsoft, but we will use the sign-in options and choose sign into the domain instead. We will enter our name. My name is VMware and click next. Next, we will propose it to enter the password. We will create a super strong password and click next. Then we will confirm the password and again click next. Next, we need to add security questions. What is your first paid name? Let's say something AAA. Then what is your name of the city? Let's say BBB and next. And then what is your childhood nickname? Let's say CCC and click next. Then we don't want to have any telemetry or information to be sent to Microsoft. We will disable all that. And click accept. Then the system will continue to checking for the updates. We'll start downloading them. We'll reboot several times during the download procedure. We are updating our Windows so that it will not ask for the updates during our golden image deployment. So we are now on the login page. Let's enter our super secret password. And Windows is doing its last adjustments. And we are logged in. As you can see, we have Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation, which is valid for 90 days. We'll increase the resolution so that we can see better what is going on our screen. Let's choose Full HD. Keep changes, and let's scale to 125. Next, we will check for any updates. Before moving further, we will install the VMware Workstation tools so that we can use this virtual machine efficiently, especially the graphical interface part. The CD-ROM was attached and we just click on the setup. We say yes. The installation procedure starts. We click next. We select typical, click install, and wait for the installation to be completed. Then click finish. It will prompt for reboot the system. We will reboot it. After the system is rebooted, we log in back to our Windows 11 Enterprise. And as you can see, the resolution changed back to something like a VGA. And we will right click and click on display settings to choose the full HD resolution again. And click on keep settings and select the scale of 125%. Then we click on Task Manager to see the load of our system. Everything looks good. Then we check again for the updates, if there are any left. It looks like there are 4 more updates, which we will download and install. After the download is completed, we will shut down our system and we'll take a snapshot. We will call it after upgrade and before Sysprep. Next, we will check if the snapshot is there. Then we will power on the image back again so that we can start our Sysprep procedure. We can remove the CD-ROM as we don't need it anymore. And click OK. We'll click on the screen and log into our machine. We will check the performance of our system again. We will pin the task manager to taskbar. Everything looks fine. Next step will be to download MikroTik Winbox application to our desktop so that it will be available on each and every Golden Image Enterprise Windows 11. We will choose 64-bit version. The file is downloaded to the downloads folder. We will cut it from there and paste it to the desktop. Let's check if the Windows can see our local area network router. Yes, it can. Then we open the command prompt and run the following command. We will use OOB, generalize and shut down parameters without mode VM. The generalize procedure or Sysprep procedure has started, and it will take several minutes. We can see the performance of our system while the procedure is going on. After the procedure is finished, it should shut down because the last command that we put, /shutdown. As you can see, the Windows Enterprise 11 is slowly closing to the shutdown condition and it's shutting down. After the system is shut down, we are going to create a clone from that Sysprep image. For this, we will create a new folder in our D drive and call it Windows 11 Enterprise PC1. Then we right click on our Sysprep image and clone it. We will create a full clone. We will choose the location of our new folder. Change the name to PC01. And choose the location of drive D, Windows 11, Enterprise PC1, and click Finish. The VMware Workstation is going to clone this golden image to a new location. And then we take a snapshot of our original Windows 11 Enterprise image. So in case we accidentally boot it, we can revert it back. Then we power on our new cloned PC01. And see what is going on the new Sysprep virtual machine. It feels like the finalization of the installation of the Windows 11. It suggests us to use the country. We will choose United States. It suggests us to use the keyboard. We will choose default, then skip. It will check for updates, but because the system is up to date, there will be no updates. We will accept the license. We will log in and choose to join domain instead, and we will input our name, in this case PC01. We will create another account. Click next, and we will create a super secret password. Click next and confirm our super secret password. Click finish, then it will ask us again those security questions. We will provide information for 3 security questions. Then we will also disable the telemetry, reporting, logging, whatever the information the system wants to send to Microsoft. And we are having our fresh new operating system prepared for the PC01 user. As you can see, the username is PC01, but we don't see our Winbox. It's gone. Let's see if the VMware tools is still there. Yes, the VMware tools is still there, so we don't need to reinstall it again. Let's check the task manager to check the hardware configuration if it's still present. As you can see, the icon on the taskbar also has been removed of the task manager. We can see that configuration is still safe. Let's see the hard disk size. It is also 80 GB. It's still same. We can see that the license is still valid for 90 days. So every time you spin up the new clone, you will have a 90 days license. This is all what I wanted to show you in this lesson. Next lesson, we are going to explore the installation of Windows 11 Enterprise to our EVE-NG. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment sections of the video. See you in upcoming lesson. I highly recommend subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any new lessons or setup guides that I release.